Okay, good morning. We're up on the roof in Weslaco. I'm starting at the back of the house. I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what I am noting. This is either a 15 or 20 year asphalt shingle. It's called a 3-tab. It looks like it's 18 to 20 years old at least. I'm not seeing a huge amount of granule loss on most of the shingles, which is good. On a lot of these ridges though, I'm seeing where it's burning through. So those are a little more of a concern. There is a lot of staining, but that is pretty normal. Now there are quite a few places, and I noted probably 25 different shingles, 3-tab shingles, that are missing at different points along the way. These really do need to be replaced. Your skylight, missing the glass. I'm also noting a couple of places on the roof where it looks like they've patched up holes. You can see there's some more of the shingles as they've been burnt through. See, this goes right through. Now this little area right here, what I'm standing on is the kind of newer garage, I would say. And it looks like this was a newer addition. I'll check it a little bit more in a minute. And instead of attaching the two roofs together, they've just floated this metal flashing across here. That's going to be a weak bond, and so they've put all kinds of patching material through here. Preferably, you'd want to, when re-roofing, bring this all together and get rid of this little gap. I'm also noting around all of the penetrations, they've poured that same patch material. Here's your electrical drop coming from the power pole, and the gasket down at the bottom has been worn out. And as we go further up to the top, noting more shingles here. You do have 2 power vents on the roof. More than likely that's going to be inadequate for the ventilation of the attic. I would like to see more ventilation than what's here. You got more patching area. Looks like they had a satellite up here at one point. These are going to be pretty big holes, so just this patching material may not be enough. May need to rebuild it. More missing shingles, more missing shingles. Here you're missing the shingles and the paper, the asphalt paper that goes underneath. And there's another area back up here. It's the same way. Again, patching material. There should be metal underneath this, underneath the shingles. And you know, I'm kind of seeing the metal down here at the bottom, right along in here, but that doesn't prove that it's all the way up. And so if that metal is not there, that could be where the leak is. I'll look a bit more once I get into the attic. Your chimney here, you've got good apron flashing all the way around. Now, this area right here is the back, the top side. So this is where the cricket should be built, like this. So it comes back into the roof. So any water coming down hits that cricket and flows away instead of going right up against the chimney. Now there is no chimney cap or a spark arrestor, and I'm going to show you another house right over here. If you can see that little spot right up on top of the chimney, that's what I'm looking for. That's the chimney cap that we need. And it could be like that one, or it could be just a smaller flat one. Either one would be really nice. More patching material. The tree back here really does need to be trimmed away. That's going to affect the roof here. Your second power vent. These look pretty old, so I'd be surprised if they're working. Okay, and some more burnouts. And then right down here, we've got the area where some of the shingles have been worn away. So there was probably another tree right in here somewhere that was rubbing up against this and rubbing that away. All right, that's about it for your roof. See the rest of the pictures in the report.